That is a fan. But it's off. Is it off or is it on?
Yeah.
Is the light off or on?
On.
Yes, the light is on. How about the fan?
See off.
It's off. That's right.
Mommy off.
Mommy's off? You silly boy.
Daddy off.
Is Daddy off?
No.
No.
Daddy.
What about Daddy?
Mommy.
Mommy? Where's Marcus? That's right.
Daddy.
That's Daddy's. Yes, that's Daddy's hat.
You can wear it, buddy. Are you wearing headphones?
What's this?
A hat.
You have a hat. What's this?
Headphones.
Headphones. What are they?
Phone.
Headphones?
Headphones.
Very good.
Can you say mushroom?
Mushroom.
A hat.
Is Daddy silly? Is mushroom food?
No.
Can you say mushroom?
Mushroom's food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you say mushrooms?
Can you say mushroom?
Headphones.
Okay, I'll put the headphones back on.
Hat.